Alright, a very quick one. Good evening from here. My name is Governor Ezioku, son of the great Shanamite that lives amongst the angels. Olilanya. In a few minutes, I just have very few questions to ask. Many of us who have seen the trending videos on social media, especially the voice notes being played by some bloggers or individuals on the social space here, alleging about a lady who is actually missing. I think the last 2 years, right? 2 years. A lady was missing, and it was said, according to the people who posted it on the social media, that a lady came to Man Past Man's place to do charm, and according to them, from that day till today, the lady is missing. I would like to say things exactly the way it is. That lady who went to Man Past Man to do charm, actually, if she had gone there and succeeded in what she came to do, we wouldn't have heard any story. Think I'm right? And at the same time, while I am saying I decided to talk about this for now, I did like to make my remarks open the way it should be. You see, some of you young ladies, because you think life is a fertilizer of the harder you go, the more you get. The harder you go, the more you get. You went to a native doctor to go and do charm. That native doctor will register shigi with charge, and that was how you lost it all. Today, Ojihon de Anaka, because of Facebook, I should be adding Igbo. Today, the lady is in the Anaka, and everybody is keeping quiet in the society. I don't know what people consider. There was a time Man Past Man was making a video, I think reacting in anger to Governor Ezioku. He said that Nana Jukwese, he was bragging with the name of Emeka. For I laughed because only are a fool. For you to have mentioned the Emeka shows that you're a fool. But all the same, if any of our billionaire or our great Igbo illustrious sons or men well respected across the nation and world decides to harbor disgruntled elements like Man Past Man, then that billionaire is a fool. Any billionaire you see associating himself to some of all these simpion pure dibias, they are fools. One of them had just gone back to school to study law. Now you are working sleep. One of the native doctors went back to study law because he's tired of the abracadabra they are doing. If anything makes you, if anything for no reason whatsoever, shall you bet your life at the detriment of one illiterate who lives in the village, that one comes to ruin your career, even possibly terminate your life, in the name of one tradition, one religion, or whatsoever. Your life is more important than any religion at all. Your life, if there is anybody that is so precious, they wrote the Bible and they said that if the living refuses to worship God, that the Lord God Almighty shall raise stones to worship him. So anything that has to take over your life, let stone take your place before that thing. Let ordinary stone take your place, because possibly you don't know the value of your life. That's why one Yeye native doctor, one dirty dibia will call you on the phone, you discuss with him on the phone, you leave the city where you are, and this is always a secretive business. If you're going to a native doctor, many people who goes to native doctors, they don't even mention to anyone they know that this is where they are going. They only rest it at the shoulders of that person whom is actually taking them there. If anything happens to you on the road, nobody will know. Nobody will know. The same way, when you hear people talk like Nonsonkwa or many other people, or some of us come on the social media and will tell you that there are ongoing organ harvesters activities in our land, and you think it's a joke. You think it's a joke? Organ harvesters, how do they succeed? How do they get these things? It is through the ignorance of men. They cannot just go to the junction and go and grab somebody, smuggle the person into the vehicle and take the person to a hidden place where they will definitely buy the person. They don't do that. They will find a way to convince you to a silent location, and when you get there, you become helpless. Are the security apparatus, are they not hearing about these things? Many of you has been posting the past few days about Man Pass Man, and I am not telling you that he's guilty of anything, no, but at least there is no smoke without fire. Hence this information is out that somebody came to a shrine to do charm 2 years ago, and the lady was missing till today. Has the living learned anything from there? Have you seen our security apparatus take steps or take any steps? You can help me tag the governor of Anambra State, Professor Charles Soludo, because he has need to take action on this. Ordinarily, I shouldn't have said anything. I would have just kept quiet and watched. You should be able to tell yourself the gospel truth. These people don't like you. So ordinarily, you went to school, you've lived abroad, you have an excel. I'm not telling you that all of them are fake, and I'm not telling you that anyone is original. I'm only leaving you to your own conscience and brain, ability to reason like human being. You work in high-class offices where you attend to professionals in life, and they start somebody who has not, at least who cannot even attest to life when it comes to reality. You have worked for yourself, for crying out loud. You've made impact. Some of your brothers in the universities today, you are the one training them. How you were able to manage your family, manage certain situations around you. It has not been easy. It is not even God all through. At some larger extent of it is at your own strength and smartness. Now, at the end of the day, why on earth? Why on earth? A dirty pig like Man Pass Man, Nasabero Aro. Do you actually see the progress of some of these disgruntled men? Look at them very, very well. I want you to go closer and look at it very, very well. There must always be a symbol of dirty around it. As neat as you are, as classified as you are in the society, as important as you are to this generation and to the next generation. Now somebody should have a little piece of sense. You should have sense. This thing that happened now, everybody is trying. They are trying their possible means to cover the voices of the people. Nobody should talk about it. Nobody should do this. Nobody. Emeka will block you. Emeka Nwachukwu, I'll block you from this page now. The next comment I see from you here, you'll be barred from this page. Without discipline, we won't go far. I don't joke with you. Now, young ladies listening to me, the moment a man makes out with you, you want to take care? The moment a man makes out with you and gives you 50 or 100,000 naira, let's assume I met a lady on the way and I picked her. I had to give her and I gave her. If you go from the BT store because of network, so that I can finish what I'm doing. Maybe I want to make out with a lady and I give her 1 million naira. I just had sex with her and give her that money. She's totally destroyed for life. Let me tell you why. I'll go from the bit. Let me explain this to you better. Upon you getting that money as a young lady within 25 years, you will see that you have opened a new business, and every business needs an increase. The next thing that comes to your mind, is how you can get a Wivon, upgrade to an iPhone, The iPhone you are buying is a phone you don't necessarily need, but you are buying it because you want to impress other men that comes your way, and equally let other ladies know that you have a new life you are living today, of which all of them must respect. At the end of the day, I have never helped you. It is a black business, it is a sexual transaction, and as it is, if you don't take your time, that is the way it will still go. This is the way life is. The same way some pastors are dealing with our people is the same way many native doctors are dealing with our people. So it's vice versa. You get some good number of them that are more worse than the devil. Then some people from the church side are also more dangerous. The same ladies who will come to social media and tell you that you are a fool, that you are even speaking ill of the man of God, the same you is running to a native doctor shrine, dining with a native doctor. If you are bold enough to tell people how a native doctor managed to sleep with you and you have nobody to complain to, the matter goes nowhere. This kind of rumors going on social media, the killings and the buying of people, has it now become part of us? Has it now become our culture that somebody will raise alarm on the social media, complaining to the government, calling on the attention of the government to consider a missing person? The news will be everywhere and everybody will just get relaxed over it, because we felt as if it does not concern our family members. It's none of our business, hence the person is not our relation, therefore I don't care. That's why I was telling somebody today that I don't watch movies. You hardly see me, those who knows me, I don't watch movie. You don't see me watch football. I don't try those things, because I used to watch football, and some time ago in Transamadi, I knew what happened between Chelsea fans and Man U. They turned it to courtesan. Many people know that year. Now, Port Harcourt, many of you heard it. There are a couple of stories like that, where somebody will just drive his vehicle, got so fans in the chase, you know. So is that what I should be watching me? It is through the ideology of that your football that makes you to start betting money. Before you know it, I can never watch a match. I bet where go. I'm not a gambler, and I don't need to watch you. Many people who watched Oganigwe Godomigodo and Billionaires Club. The Billionaires Club, that movie influenced the minds of our youth. They thought that Ogwego the real. They begin to get involved into some of these things, believing that there is a way they can make quick money out there. But if you see people, quick money had died under this life. If you see people, quick express has died in this life, then you will learn to slow down. Go and check where accident happened. Once people buy in that vehicle and you go back to the car that was carrying you, if the driver is moving, even he himself cold, he will be cold, because if you are driving on the road and make for an accident, you drive why you don't even care, because the moment you cross life a bit, the next thing is dead. You see how people behave? Now that lady, now people are not crying. The person also complaining about that, the missing of that lady, should also be arrested, because you are aware of what happened. You will not tell us who gave that lady that address. You will not tell us how she managed to find her way to man past man's place. Today she's missing. And let me tell you, as we are just talking, no action is being carried out, nothing whatsoever. Man past man will find his way. That's why some of these our leaders, I hardly respect them. For example, detaining Akwakuko Tiwarake, that's very good. If you find him guilty, if you find anything on him, you can prosecute him. You can take any actions you want to take. All right, it's not a crime. But I kept asking, why the same government thought about arresting Akwakuko Tiwarake? While the state government thought on how to arrest AK Hit, how they thought on how to arrest Oyeze Jesus. These people has lesser crime. These people have lesser crime to Akuna Aratugo, who showcases dead corpse in his shrine. Somebody they tell us about Ananya. You will remember gonna sit us on your zihu. Nina chose Nanya. While the main person who has committed offense, the busy. You know Akuna Aratugo. You know where you can get him. Professor Charles Oludo. When we say we want to sanitize the system or want to do certain things, we should do it adequately. There is no crime. There is no crime in this nation as of today without religious leaders. The same way you're accusing politicians, also consider these other persons. Every crime you see, Yahoo, do you know that Yahoo, people who does Yahoo, pastors harbors them. In their way. Pastors na harbor her. Mora ha kando, mora hebu na we chwara haja new moon. Or special offering. They do with sacrifices and all that. Most of the churches you see them furnished today are furnished by Yahoo guys. So some pastors are part of it. There is no successful crime without the involvement of a bigger or a gospel preacher. The first time we saw that there was a possibilities of selling human being. You understand? It started from the Bible. The brothers of Joseph sold him. The next person that was sold was Christ. And it is not going to stop today. It is not going to stop tomorrow. The same 12 tribe of Israel today, one of them is whom they sold. They sold their brother Joseph. It came to pass, there was need again for them to buy somebody over again. They bought another Delilah, of who betrayed Samson. They sold Samson. Those people who sold Samson, who are they? Those people who bought him, who are they? Who lobbied Delilah? Are they not religious leaders of the Philistines? They are kings, they are leaders. They did. That was one place they committed their own. Now, when it was time for them to sell Jesus and betray Jesus, who sold Jesus? It was Judas that sold him. Who bought him? Religious leaders. There is no crime. Trace any crime from beginning to end. Anywhere you see somebody carrying gun, saying, oh, there is an involvement of a native doctor there. There is an involvement of a native doctor who will go and tie one red thing and give them confidence to go and move about with AK-47. Therefore, that same person moving about with a gun, you are busy deceiving him. You are betting his life to danger even when he doesn't know. Although she can work primarily, but does not last. Is someone hearing me? This message is just for a few minutes. Then I'll leave you to your conscience and your mind. Primarily, the evidence of Yahoo, 60% or 65% of people who does Yahoo today believes in one Dibia or the other. Legitimacy is no longer invoked. People don't care. The other day I went to I showed a video where I went to tap palm wine, of course a very good drink, and I saw where somebody came to my comment section and said that now no bukobi brom no rute selan kemo eta palm wine, and I look at this fool and laugh. When God meets you at the point of whatever you are doing, it begins to accelerate for good and for importance immediately. It doesn't matter where you're doing it. You remember a palm wine tapper in Enugu who taps palm wine. The man uses the best of Mercedes Benz, and he built a castle in his compound with palm wine. People were arguing on his comment section the day Mamoka interviewed him. They were arguing with him. But those of you who takes original palm wine, who knows the location of where you can get it, go and ask them. Some places 5 liters of it you can get it for about 10,000. 10 liters of it sometimes 15,000. And I was only trying to show people something there, that in a day I have seen somebody outside that man in Enugu. I've seen somebody who taps palm wine. In a day the man makes more than 70,000. The day this Akumaku fell in one of my sites, and the cousin there gathered and they picked it up, gathered and sold it. They sold a paint 10,000 naira, and they sold no less than 10 paint, right?
Yes.
Up to 10 paint, which amounts to 100,000 naira in less than 24 hours. But these are things people neglect. Till today, they are still getting calls. People are calling him, saying, please, can you send to us in UK? We need in America. Because that time, as at the time I was making that video, the people from the United States, they were asleep already. So when they woke up and they saw it, they started calling. They started calling. Till today, they are still calling, asking for Akumaku. People want originality. Then who will supply it to them? And I was trying to educate them yesterday. Can you go back and study this thing? Know if there is a way you can make it seasonless. Wake up to reality. I have tried so many things in life and it failed. At the age of 23, I bought a car. I was good then. I thought that illegality, because I will come to Waterside, I will use my money and buy diesel in truck. I will go and supply. The day I had issues with Life Camp, I was detained for months. I wasted all the monies I gathered there. No way. It took the effort of my dad. Certain individuals whom I must have helped disappointed me. My dad stood single-handedly. Friends ran away. Everybody who were hyping me, all of them ran away. I've told you guys the story of when I was using Formatic 450 GL also. The day I sold that car was the day I remember that I lost my mom in 2003. It was more painful than the day I lost my mom. Because if I get to the junction, somebody will not even ask me, how are you? The first question is, good morning. Now, where's your car now? This one usually come out. They have already heard the rumors that I have sold the car. Rumors spreads faster than HIV. Rumors spreads faster than even a bullet. If they see me, they will ask me, where is your car? This one will not come out with them. These are people who had pre-wished me downfall already. I was seeing them to my face. It is not hiding something. And that day, I remember the words of a godfather who used to say that sufferings are lessons for those who don't want to learn, for them to sit up and learn. I decided to sit up on my own. This life, not only you waka come. All those abracadabra you're doing to impress people, you are not going to impress anybody. I'm telling you, before God and man. Go to the hospital, go to mortuary today, you see people lying lifeless. Their relatives are not coming to even check on them. They've abandoned them in the mortuary for 2 years. While they were breathing, they were up and doing. Their relatives were with them. If you want to go and do Ogwego, you want to go and involve in human parts, you want to be selling human parts, or if let me tell you one thing. Those things you are trying to gather for the generations you've not even seen, you don't know how they are going to manage it. Now me, they tell you. You don't know how they are going to manage it. As a young lady, the best you want is Dibia. Dibia gwachara gogo onakwa gi n'elu ya again. If una Chineke akpola gogo. Echi ichowa another innocent young man. Gabia luoge. This Pastor Amos today, who was busy dancing a willow. Na church obagide oba willow. Anointing the dizianoko na kwatuzi mother. Fool. Before this one, how many on? There was one pastor along this Rubo here. Before Elios now, one pastor there. If we are, go and check them. His living house is more beautiful than the church. He was busy if he had that time and on Andre so easy to go and pull up 1 or 2 policemen that will be around them. You need to see as a pastor. Police you're not representing Christ. Because you forgot that Jesus taught people. It is your pastors that have made the church, the body of Christ, to look fake. Is your pastor, is your Obu, look at him with his bar hair or the way they jolly-coy their hair. Simple signs will show you that this one is Bonyara. Let me explain a bit. Jesus said, if any of you wishes to become great, the day he washed their legs, after Satrahoko, or see if any of you wants to be great, let him be the servant. The person that should be opening door for police, he should be your pastor. Should be your native doctor. If the moment humility crushes down in everything you're doing, even in your business, go ahead and remove humility and check if anybody will buy from you. Isini buma Chineke manduga dige gosi ya onyamo mole no kukwegi chukwa maralandi ya the Shanamites. The level of unforgiving spirit upon pastors, upon this your Ekuke native doctors, is worse than the mind of Satan. At least at a time he ran away from Job. Oh my Job, no way, he fled. Until the day God decided to discuss a consensus matter about Job with the devil. He needed a permission. So why is your pastor not humble? Why is that your native doctor not humble? What are they teaching the society? What are they even investing upon? It's like a pastor who says, I don't beg money. Or a native doctor said, I'm a big man, I don't beg money, the Lord has helped me. How did the Lord help you? Is it not through the counseling rooms, the money you collect from people in the secret? Is that the way God helped you? Have you worked anywhere? In one company I wrote before. One vulcanizer, one satisfied vulcanizer is better, by far better than Akuna Ratugu. It's by far better than Man Pass Man. Believe it or you leave it. The day you will know the importance of a mechanic is the day. Isi keche kiaragi hene me your power stand. Eluzo ya gwazege no power steering port direct. In a lion about 18,000 no. And the power steering box is about 18,000. I mean about 80,000. Any suggestion mechanic brings immediately. Oga ka eluzo ya aga hocha ya may amend. You will say Amen, and he performs magic and miracle audacity to fix it. You will go and say, God, thank you. Mota atagoma food today. A sound and qualified carpenter who can do a kitchen cabinet is more important than Akuna Ratugu. The fact is that you don't know. Such programs, do you see crowd watch it? It's about 100 and something persons, sometimes 200 persons that will just be here and watching live. Others believes in content, but if I show you any video now, and possibly write that Akwa is here with me now, and maybe I just post Akwa's picture that Akwa is out, Akwa is with me now. Believe you me, in less than 20 minutes, you see more than 1,000 persons watching me. Why are they watching? They are watching because they want to perfect their intent, their enterprise, what they have in mind. Their most concern is not truth and reality. Their most concern is evil. A responsible government by now should have held Man Pass Man, even if he's innocent. Let him explain better. Then get the parties, those people who heard such voice note and videos, making claims that no Burumada 2 years ago, one day Hawaii baby away for. Get him arrested. Not because some certain political element, one argument with Akwa or even Akwa and other Dibia Senko. If you didn't actually go after Akwa now, by now, Ndidibia can make people, everybody would have felt so inferior of themselves. Legit earners will feel disappointed over their lives, thinking they want a special thing. These people, these are a bunch of fools. Apaja. What do you name? There was a time one prophet Dibia threatened them some years ago. When it was time, he won mysteriously. Tako wade. Onobala wuni hona worship. Chinkea, chishirike bono. Some of you say, Amaro, how powerful you are. If you know how powerful you are, you can never give chance. Hey, listen to me. I was sharing some words with a lady this evening on the call, and I said to her, these things all of you gallivate about. Listen to me. These are my last words, and I'll leave you here. And I said to the young lady, somebody say, na nwoke to wari ime boso. Hapuro ye na nwa ya na atafufu. Now, I blame the lady. The lady, I'm only blaming her because I'm a man. I will always support men. I said it's a lie. Now, let me tell you the gospel truth. While you are dating, listen to this last part before you leave this live broadcast. While you are dating a man as a lady, and each time you go to his house, children are in the compound, but they don't come close to him. That is a very big signal to tell you, he does not have love for children. So he made mistake. This person will not marry you. As see by their fruit we shall know them. But when you judge a man, but in the company he lives in a public yard, because everybody lives averagely before life gets better for you. You know that he has love for children, and the way he takes care of other people's children should tell you, should at least minister to you that this is the way he will take care of his own children. You don't know a responsible man, you don't know a rich man, a great man. A responsible man by his own personal outlook in the public when he has family. It is when you see his wife, see his children, see his maid, that you will know that this man is responsible. There are people who does not have much money. They don't even have a car. If you see their children, how healthy they live, to have a family, they then were irresponsible men. They have big cars. Right now, many of you are watching me from Lagos now. In on a bar now watching. Me earpiece now watching. You're a fool. Okay, your children. How often do you take care of your own children? How often do you look at your wife and kids? So when a young lady makes an uncalculated mistakes, she starts to blame her uncles in the village for being in charge of her predicament. Who told you? This is where I will leave you. The word is enough for the wise. Good night, and God bless you from here. Governor Jogo is my name. Olilanya.